In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member to Asana. If you're new to Asana, or even if you've used it for a while and just want a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to bring a new teammate into your workspace. Whether you're collaborating on projects, managing tasks, or just trying to streamline your workflow, getting your whole team set up in Asana is a fundamental first step. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you're working from your main dashboard. Once you're inside your Asana workspace, look over at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a panel with all your available teams and projects. Navigate to the correct workspace if you have more than one, and select the specific team you want to add a member to. After you click on the right team, you'll see the Teams page open up. At the top of this page, there should be an option or button that says Invite, or sometimes simply a plus icon next to the team name. Go ahead and click on this. If you're part of a larger organization, you might sometimes see a field for entering an email address or even multiple emails at once. Type the email address of the teammate you want to invite. If you would like to invite more than one person at a time, simply separate each email with a comma or space, as instructed on the screen. Once you've entered all of the necessary email addresses, check to make sure you have the correct team selected, especially if you manage several teams or projects. Before sending the invitation, you might notice an option to add a custom message. This isn't always required, but it's a nice way to let your new team member know what to expect or to provide any context about the projects they'll be joining. When you're ready, click the Invite or Send button. Asana will then email an invitation directly to the addresses you entered. Your invitee will receive a message in their inbox with simple instructions to join your team in Asana. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be able to access the team's projects, tasks, and any resources you've shared. A quick tip: if the invited member doesn't see their invite after a few minutes, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, just in case. It's also helpful to remind them to use the same email address that matches your organization's Asana domain, if there is one. And that's it. Adding a team member to Asana is a quick and easy process, and once your teammates are on board, you can start assigning tasks, tracking progress, and collaborating more effectively. If you need to add more people in the future, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating in Asana.